In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TikTok Pixel. By the end, you'll have a brand new pixel ready to install so you can measure website actions, optimize campaigns, and build stronger remarketing audiences. Start by opening your browser and searching for TikTok Ads Manager. In the results, choose the official TikTok Ads page so you land on the correct platform. Once there, sign in to your business account. Make sure you have the right permissions for the ad account where you want this pixel to live, since pixels are tied to specific accounts. After logging in, look toward the top navigation and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Events Manager. This is the central hub for tracking on-site activity and where your pixels are created and managed. On the Events Manager page, locate the Connect Data Source button, typically near the top left. Click it to begin the setup flow. When prompted to choose a data source, select Web. This tells TikTok you want to track actions on a website rather than in an app or offline. You'll see a field to enter your website URL. Add your primary site address here. TikTok uses this to recommend the best setup based on your site's technology, which helps streamline the next choices. You'll now choose your setup method. Manual setup gives you the most control and generates a code snippet that you'll place in your site's header. If your site runs on platforms like Shopify, Google Tag Manager, or WordPress, partner integration can make the connection easier with guided, often no-code steps. For this walkthrough, select Manual Setup so we can proceed with a straightforward, platform-agnostic approach. Next, you'll be prompted to pick between creating a TikTok Pixel only or a TikTok Pixel plus Events API. The Pixel alone tracks events in the browser, while pairing it with the Events API can add server-to-server reliability and help maintain signal quality. Choose the option that aligns with your tracking strategy and resources. Give your pixel a clear, descriptive name, up to 128 characters. A good practice is to include your brand and primary domain so it's easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple sites or regions. Finally, click Create. TikTok will generate your pixel and display the next screen with your installation options and details. Keep this tab open so you or your developer can complete the installation later. That's it for creating the pixel itself. You've set the foundation for accurate measurement and smarter optimization on TikTok.